hon mil weekend hon in campaign na vegan chibai tune hol impeding hi le thado radio program one of the most experienced 20 plus experienced announcer le news story dar hi ama hi le amin s ling boy haukip tune sonan pai jana kam ki pa to kon gen he
ke ong ki pai
ni i nawo kha kumsom ni valmin na zata wa hi le na mela ki mongai ke ya tunin na fans tampi le na on as ding gin tarwa ya ye radio abang chidan nang job wa mukhai. How do you get into radio?
Radio hi kanewa ke pa na mihing hi na every person has its own aim in life na kanewa la ya hi ke hi na radio a hi thu kan sei de TV a hi thu kan sei de he ka ti a hi cha hi ke hi aim in life kan ne hi chi so pathin nung sei din after graduation na cha cho hong ke ko win hi le with God's grace, I got through radio exams on Anompo in its 3-tier exam. First, he general science, maths, English, overall exam ke ball hai. And after going through that, we have to do another translation. Translation to English kona ema pau thadawa translate ke ball. And then abang bang kale mấy thầy bảo cô na Manipuri into thadawa ibol kanjong min na hiti so ki sai ting le last a chu third phase a chu auditions voice test hi so 3-tier examinations a chu qualify hum ki hi lekha ki them jong le I o a hoi lowa a hi le chun fit ki lo ti di mai
Ko hoi ti chi ti na ven tu ham
a hoi ti chu like it explain about him like the pitch, the voice, pronunciation, and then the clarity. So ngai hi voice modulate na bolan, na leg na ledan, like sentence dung zuya to atu line che dung zuya to hat bele na su nganding hat bele na su sangding hat bele na su naming hiti ato.
Voice monotonous law di chinaw hi
Monotonous all day.
Hele radio hi toy thara program hin hapta kharai ni kharai program min ni zan ham
30 every day 30 minutes hi
no I announcer mi som sa tam zo na umuhin slot bang zabe na tan jelo
chihi ke ho hi rooster in ka chewin na rooster in ka chewin chu ikhat sarpa in fix a bowling masanga chu hi la double work hin to hi single hand ema changse ake ball like program to ema in programs on bowling news on simding and then announce on bowling everything to ema own individual depend ke ball
to hi khoveri ra hi lamo social media ta YouTube ta to bana Facebook ta to bana I media khat po interaction thena one sided lo ya radio ti chu one sided bo zo to announce the ball na me long kimulo min de ham de lo ke thilo na che radio hi thulai ding hi media survive dia nagin charam where do you see the future of radio
radio hi like YouTube han lang ip han long zong la for the past so many years radio still survive to I ho in like we come to a stage where computer era is important but there are some areas na thing hangam om na line remote areas tu changya for example say khatbia na interview ang chu hingli kamu hai we are in the 21st century still lampi pha na lo mu na chu in every home there is a radio na radio mean only town areas in radio he value importance ipipovin but radio is the main source eho ade de thing lang khunewa cheng amy hi han lang naga hi han lang mấy hi hành lang start lệ pangal hi zong lệ hi chi radio ako na hi mi pi in hi tabang thil ome hi tabang phachom na ome ti ho hi ahead hi in adi di in Infal ahilawa le Chujanpur say like town Kangpuk pi ho tamul but me listener to awat di poi na every now and then feedback aki muzingin hiji like tu banga hi low hon na dana hichlaya to EPT ham ganhing ahlawale insecticide ki ho EPT control ke bod ham pest ET control ke bod ham titing like radio jun Central Agricultural University akonin scientists ho ga ki holin ahlawale like frequent earthquake or ma building ho chi mai hong le we used to contact seismology scientists ki so radio in every field me hin he touch ke ball even layman like senior citizens na pite pute ho zong ke holin chuta le we draw out the talents from the young people mi khat chu athip na entrepreneur hi han lang la sa hi han lang chuta le sports lang hi zong le radio in a ball chu le it mainly hiji ama ho athip na pa chu ta hi ki ho pi a ki pod a cha mi pi a dinga pha chom na dinga chu ki gel hi in radio akom je ang ka se hi po in but e ho aim te ki ti han lang hele ho la chu Burma sunga di aho Burma sunga di aho all India radio thado program hi they are waiting for it na punga hin ma sanga ho anato achai wa cha cho mi pi ho hi ki khoma angai win even Assam Mahur hi hanlang Nagaland hi hanlang hoilai everywhere to hi internationally hi pa na hi hoilai na umzong le hi chi thado program se hi lovin mai hai program zong chuta le minority aga ti dingin gangte simte jo and then lamkang puro na ti hota bang 21 minor tribes I mean hi cho zong hi na ki zathei
20 years experience wag experience na nei ta ya mo 20 years experience nga hi changes kham program hi innovation
program bang hi as it is a procedure to ki follow hi in but changes to hele in machine na equipments or radio are like up to date apart dung zui chun amasa ke ho ka hlun til wa chu like masang la ya tape lena lin ta mo khat nukim chana cho sa mong play ki bola ho ta cha chun tape ma ta banga ho ki play and then we used to it's like chan chu hiding hitai ti ala cha chu paper hot ki la ane ke koya chu play ki bola paper chon hung sa de stop ki bol hin to a hi le computer era hung he ke tan computer ho ke mangin na so to change in but program is as it is ewang dila chu hi le la ho bo ni in to a he science magazine hi lawa hi le ta sadam thaina health hi lawa hi le documentary ti ho na according to time cha chun program hi tham hat wang chu change om thau
hopi la do metro do ngai chi ai le hi la sap te lai ngai ai le radio hi ngai sang te je ngawin la a hi lo le a greatest hit hoi radio kan ki he hin na chito bang FM innovative ta FM mirchi radio a hi lo radio choki tom ta thiem ta na ai nom ta chi pop song ka dei lo ai le jazz lu re jazz ka dei lo ai le variety cho ta bang hi radio hi future market thoa me hola tu chana hi Manipur songai radio FM radio individual a bol mi pi ham chilai chung chang hi
chi hi chu thau de bang ke cho hi ka he pon but kangpuk pi hun khat e ho emite a khat a ume ti chu ke he in community ana ma ho chu ke he in adang wang he ke he pon and to be very honest lasa team zo si hi mi zo sin la asa in hi zong le radio masang khanga lasa theme ho lasa 80s 90s khangla ya la record ke bol ho hi tu chen gain achul nai pon na and ama ho gifted god gifted ti taute na tu la ya hi even you and me lasa so theme poi ka ti ne poi na technology hoi dan chu you and me I can even sing record the ball thai so le banga masang la ya radio artists also EPTM they'll come with hollow guitar and then studios ding they did their best, they tried their best na hichu chu hin ama ho thip na pawang hi tu ni chan gain example aga say ding in lampuling in hin ho ipi ham asa ho Linda in la na sa ho manglun la sa ho Jeff ne la lun cha ki ti ho hi tu chan ge ayong ama ho hi mangnai lo hi na so when the radio acknowledge somebody na ama chu they are totally popular and well known.
nó xây đàn cho radio mình là demand ho asa ho cho timeless class mau thêm này thêm ta ta tin ông ham
ama hot tip na ta asa he ka ti chu without music without ip studio su ngam lo hela guitar like drum lead ipin ke bo de ta any to bonga hi just ama hon apet pet na play ball apet pet na asa uhin na to chu tu like khanga ta banga chu editing ho uma epp uma ti ho chu umlo na voice modulator umlo just as it is na they give their best shot so Allah sa pa chu tu san ge yong hin achul nai he ekati hi
chulai phara chui phone ho ai lo le thil dangum lo ja jo mau mo ki mo han ba chom lo chulai jong athiam tam tam ma
chulai cho athiam tam pita omin voice la la sading ho hi voice audition ke ball he na voice audition ke ball la hi cha chu judge panelist ke na la music nga theme loi la pronunciation la achi dat akai dat vedan athemo expert ke kawa expert ho hi room na hidden ki bola with window curtain close ki bola ama ho na sawa ala so chu koi ham aminjong ki sei lo a serial numbers on ki sei lo na hicha chu expert ho in hicha chu a theme atti bos mi la sata theme tam pita omin hi banga radio voice audition na pass lo atamini
chuti le audition radio audition no chona na sa thawt tina chona
na sa mail ho kun emi te hin ima igel ho poven mail ho bang khone la sa theme ki ti chu radio la sa amin umlawa lama ho la sa theme in jong ke ngai to poven hi na e ho hin radio hi ingai ne movin ipi ti ha ingol naw ha ichi naw ha bang ke ha poina iti ha ingai ne movin hi bangin radio akona hi dam theina jong ake he in khantong na zong omin chu ta le aphat dung zu ya ke umahi in chu emi ten cho chu khat bon atam zo emi ten ngai hi like only on Monday and Thursday Monday ni lo kon devotional la ki hai na Thursday ni le khada lunglen la la dei than ki lai akila in abang khat 50 above fortune hi le khada folk song traditional song ho chu ngai nom na in na ti ho chu omin ho audience ho hi ka he thim pun hi wangin feedback atam zo hong hi thingthang langa ko na hon hong ho hi le seasonal la agriculture langa hi han lang hi lawa hi le dam mo ve seed na ti ho ta bang wangin feedback wangin ni si a hong and then radio chu if you made one mistake you get feedback instantly so
iti feedback na mo ham how do you stay connected with the audience?
The audience, they'll like phone the station head or they write that program. Say to hit about to they'll give feedback instantly. So feedback he to YouTube ho to kave thong nan katha no pon hi song iti ham wang kha le YouTube ho dunga ho le comment hin na radio awang to le personally ama in chilai chu ko dei po ye chi ki thai po and on top of that radio we are not biased me sentiment hat na diong ki sei thai lo community khat la community khat ki lung no mo to na di thu yong ki sei to it's a goodwill program we make love peace like harmonium with each and every community to harmonize in the dinga so ta le koi ma personal feeling yong hat ke bolo society yong ke bolo so we are very careful in what we say and what we do.
Okay. Hale 20 years of experience ai mila ho na. Nalung timang kilang top 5 EPPA dem.
Lahi 2010 mas nga ka say ding amale two decade na kan say so I'll divide it into two parts. First to hile ke ha ngai nom pen chu hi hile lam khulingin hin ho ipi ham asa anachi in abana luncha kip ge na lunghu thim thu achi in mangluna nang bo na hi tarara to milzo pungi kana lungsit sa hi in abana Jeff Akaya ELB kalungsit na chuta le Elvis ne lala Nelson lungde ti ho hi anaching timeless classic even now tu sen gang hat ke muzi hin as singnu in asa milzo pungi bangzo pung kati na chong so min aban le nene min asa sang sung don kon jalai sung tang dat zo zilo di zongomin na chuta le linda a chu chung chol ha ti ho la chu hi mo album khana hi tu a hi la kesin khana hi la khan ham phau hin masang la ya la so chu every song they present na hit anachi hi in he bang chu chila chu timeless classic timeless everlasting sentimental song ti dinga cho chu anachi in chu ta le ane chong loi ho rose pa nam tui nei pin ti ho yong na tu sang ge hin achul thei nai pu in chu ta le pazang phulam hi in the legendary singer tu sang kya yong o ngai na lai hin ama la yong chu tol thing se hei ne hi ti ho ta bang la khat se phau lo hin atamin na ele tua younger generation na hong hi le maxi min thanga e khat o boy nu namit ipiham ti hi in melody changsana e khat amasa previously interview na ball PNC dongalin asim bongthing phabangin hi in
radio hi 20 years plus experience na nei tan na me interview na bol cha kha you are interviewing all sorts of people from all walks of life iti interview na bol de ho chu itabang criteria na ko ji ham ban ti le iti mail hello na bol ji thon na bol jo si research na bol thon piti na bolam
interview ke bowling ting le hin a topic kasim sawin na example la to hi covid-19 hi hat worldwide international la hi jason covid 2 saying hi to chuchanpura dr ngai ne kim ka sei sawin chuta le example la to financial hung hi ting le finance langa ho ka ho lo bit na alawa le drug abuse hi lawa hi le child trafficking hi ting le khat home department ka ko ubin na hi ti chun aban le seasonal la dammo na hungum ting le doctor su tam hin hisong le ama concern doctor chapanga op na bang hi le child doctor aban le gynae doctor ti chun kalheng do in classified ka bolwin hi chidung zu ya chu RT so a theme ho chu ke hall hi na ga ke hall hi in we know some people na mi chu ke in hello wo chu ga ki hol do hi chi o me chu ni hu sei pin ti a cha chu interview ke bol ji hi ama tip na dung zui ama experience dung zui ya chu ke bol hi in not any xyz can do an interview in the radio
okay radio hi ti hin one way communication hang pin hin na no na se chu min ngai hla di jeng mi ni pin lunggel ne ham personal phone call hi lo le chen neo khat communication ki wa den na Sija hi radio hi 20 years experience hai innovation room for improvisation room for using creativity ki wat jat thawan hedam pitiang nangyal
ke wa lo pi khat tu lai listener ho song hi they are more than advanced than us na e ho sang in khang to win like thil khat isei hela ibol hela pronunciation i hela zonga hele apet na feedback hong hi
pronunciation ja feedback ji tam
kaya pronunciation ji in pathinung se in tu chen gain feedback chu komu khanai poina te ka bang khana mi hing ki hi in khat beting le ibol hil chu hi na not intentionally mi hing hi na chu man make mistakes na chu hi in program ho bang chu te ka bang khana program hi la load shedding ham hunga program ham hat i khat no ma filler ga tha a yong le na program chu ipiti ham program ipiti ham alo ale hichi ki ka chu ipiti da na hichi chu ti ham ti hi anasai ni da kalimo ki mu lo wang chun mizo se hin EOR we are known by our voice na ilima chu ki hello hi in cha program chu hichi hin abola hi le hichi me ti in chu jing thei ta ging ge cha ki bol hi program hi ki mo bol thei lo hi radio
communication line and a profession hints la chi ja his pronunciation hi it can be very controversial na mi ching sa ta hen khat chun pronunciation sap te abang dia sei go da cho lei se dai pronunciation hoi tai be dai le American le British song ki banglo ban te le English ti hoi e ho first language lo cho ai mi ho a o bi cho i be dai le i alphabet be dai le ke khar ging thei lo cho chi jai pronunciation hi India adinga sap pau them pe dipika padukon ho jong film ai ka be dai sap te la hung pau le ko the thu cho na ai le Russian te hi pau sa le chuni ti pau they have very heavy accent na chi jai chi pronunciation ki chang kan sa na mi mo dem ha ma hil le a profession ayum le hoi ta bol go di ham nang ipinalung yal na ya
eho Manipur context a say ding na Chuchanpur la ipau da nu pau mandan hi azat chomen Infala mandan azat chomen Chandela chomen Kangpukpia chomen Saikula chomen na za cho pau hi it's quite different from one place to another katino men na langa ne sia chun Infala hun so we try to make it understandable to all the listener cho lang kalang pau jong la be se lo Chandi langa jong la lo Kangpukpi langa jong la lo Phai langa jong la lo we made it as simple as it is he thema ka sai dan cho mi zo sin he theina any neutral line na bolding chun chu ta le words atam zo hi sa pau jong a ki ha man di po in na a hi thei chana chu ei pawa ki kile hi in but those eho dictionary a umlo hi a hele eho pawa umlo ho chu hele chun meaning hi achum chuma leng do umin ke ka bang han a chu thil khat iga sei ki go na hele a sentence dung ya chu according to the news iga vet na ile ki go na hele meaning za chum be che ding mo ta bang ko na chu ko hi ting le cha chun English in ke bol mi khuti lo wala chun we try to make it neutral and then mizo say like sa pau hello thing hanga atam zo radio listener hi above 40 years and above for him aha ama ho hi rating se atam zo in na cha chu ama ho in head thai dinga le kha thim zong nan tin thien lo zong nan din ya chu ama ho head thai na dinga chu chapong ho abc ihil ta bangwa ho akhut itu ba hilpi ta banga ho we try to let our audience understand what we are saying na chu ke ho adinga thu pi pe
number personal ta thil kar kan do no mo min na chu radio hin voice bo hin I have radio announcement about the Facebook la dong ka live ke jin radio hi outdated valta ma hila Facebook is more fascinating mid apet per interaction on feedback the like dislike the la comment the chi ja hi radio hi left behind the muam ma hila le government assumu na hi jai ki mo bol bol ham where do you see the future of radio
it's going to last as it pm te le hi abang khan into like younger generation in the along the young peers na they hi zong le adang ho I had him ta ho in a day win na chi hi ama ho in cha hi zo zong ki say lo we are telling the facts to the authentic da ki say his agent people trust on it more than newspaper or more than some something but everybody trusts on the radio na banjong hi for example I'm not criticizing anything but what's up dunga chin they don't believe it until and unless it is like being broadcast on the radio that there's going to be ban curfew ti alabo min ataasan hi na and one more kasi nung chun nangin FBI live na ball na tiso hingi ka ball ji many people mihin tampi tahin radio aza in radio sung hi tabang hamti mu khalo lai how we do our programs ti ki bolam ti het lo ji especially to hi aim te hi globally we are like ium ta na so sometimes ade in Israel lang US ti ho na Australia nga langa kon ho ko ngzin ting ama ho according to their demands ama ho in Manipur ga ma radio ka ga amuno me ti ting le cha cho live ka ga bol je so I want to let them see my office my work and then kana to chu ka enjoy ja so sometimes I'm not a good singer but I used to hum along mihing chu work is worship hin na ima idde nalam che na ilung ru ja chu la ho bang jong chu ki mo hal ha thai lo hi na Independence Day ni achu Independence Day la thangai Republic Day ni a Republic Christmas New Year occasion dung zu ya chu la ki tha hin na ele love song dung chu apart weather ki ve a weather dung zu ya chu o hichi la hin hichi su in te hichi la hi ki tha han lang hele mi pi dung halin te mi pi ngai no min te devotional ni hi ayong le devotional la yong chu devotional long chu thamkhat rock de omin thamkhat it is say tham commitment nei ta ki sam khat moment ja chu la ho song chu classified ki bola a weather ki ve a time and place ki ve a ki tha hi na khat to FM radio mirchi ho ta banga abi isa lagana ki mo bol jing the hello hi
no radio department in mi zan ritual ti monitor na bolam data statistics radio tu ne program mi zan ngai ti umam monitoring system
ho chu general la khada mail ho a bona ke bol hen na ho tribal section ho chun chu ke hebe se lo hi wanga general la chu all in all la chu pa hon a bol chu chu hon ki khat be se lo
monitoring system hal lo ki hello ke be lo na min so na luten radio om lo no na bedam in zan radio nei te dem to hi entertainment industry hi boina transition period a kem cho for example singer hon dang a chu cd bol jiwa cd bola sang som asen wai le at least cd zona chi ge sa ko wa to hi chi ki sa no chi the ka lo youtube is na youtube alo revenue ni ma chaum lo la khat bol na di na tam taw min chi ta ba no of profession hi mi in zara radio to hi lam ka in som ka ke hol radio hi in zara um dan gen chara
radio hi a thawe lo he poi molnom a jong hin lampi ai che ting a ki ha sigin na a ki singin radio hi molnom se a jong min ki ho na lang a jong min chata le atam zo hi tang so and then to lai hi radio hi jong le mobile apps a ko na radio hi ki nei the hi ta je chun na radio chat chu inau hi jong le channel FM channel la chu login i bola le tune i bola le radio chu ki ngai the
smartphone a on no program ha the na apps
cha chu i khat FM channel la ngai dinga hi le FM chu 103.5 angai FM channel la cha ko na chi bola hi program chu ki sai to hi Delhi Bangalore hoi lai ho jong apps ki download ba program chu de wa like listener choice ting le ama ho income pa ma ko na request a hin boziwa we had a short interaction with them asking them what do you do ipide chi pila hi pizza na ha no mam ti ho chu ki se ya cha chu ki bo radio wang chu IT chan ko to ji zong hi pu in I think it's going to survive than the YouTubers or something like that. It's going to stay for a very long time.
America gam dungi vet ai le kam khang to America keu se lo India zo metropolitan city vet ai le na radio jockey influential tata radio ki ti oila hi dam hit lo ham latest song hi lo trending ho zo si het the na hin Manipura hi chitabang RJ hi lo le radio FM hi individual am kyong le no hoi dio thing status quo bal wa na bol dan ki pang base is left behind and ki chanam
no that will never occur because ke ho hin what radio people did is ke ho hin like nang chu artist it is say one artist na ama chu ahung phat le ke ho hin alasa chu we give them their money ama copyrights ke hon ka ki chau hi dai na so FM channel is out no lang heong le the songs la radio api sau chu they can't give it to another company because we have the right to sue them just to on copyright to on ka ki chau hi dai na they are artists ama ho la sa na few copy hi dai so if they wanted to go to another station latha abodi latha api ulawang chu it's okay but those radio hits radio popular sa ho chu it can be done
hai le to radio hits la tam pi jong YouTube amin nok no individual ki sano ha cho na monitor bam le
he chi YouTube pa chu hele ama personal ama singer pa ne ki sa je chu na a singer pa ma a hi ja chu kho lo hi mi dang
in cho radio copyright sam na sai
radio copyrights ka sai thu
cho chu ke on kan radio ti chna hil bam
ama sa ki sai piece contract nga ki sai pia na hichila hi aphalo ba hele aphal dung zui wa chu ki la hi in radio ala ki sa ki hom sa ki ti chu without radio permission na chu as an artist concern ham hola ham khat na so achi na sa theya na because it his song amala here but giving it to another company without the knowledge of radio is very illegal
chu khat mai zana hin ni cái pon cái bang artist đi teleng radio khat mai la ka hong sa no na right na claim del zo radio la ki sangam ni na
radio YouTube chichu hi ale it depends upon your own na individual hin but radio la na sa ajo it's going to stay till the war ends lese ki sai to ka radio an la sa na pa chu manglo de YouTube or CD something ki chai mai the na e bang ajo once you are into the radio and then radio contract says importance nan pa ho radio contracts are ho contract sign ki bol na pa ho for and on behalf of the president of India hi chan gya cho very very knowledgeable ji artist khat say singer khat dinga radio la sa thai lo chu he might be very popular she might be very popular or second but in the eyes of the government of India and for the people, she is a non-cognitor. He is a non-cognitor. He a value he eho aimiten he povin na. It's an compute anay te may he ho bang kon hele. A radio even 5 minutes slot se ala sa aning program na hindi nga mo hin kiha bolo hin na. Eho aimiten so mi ga akawa hi zong le importance hello hon bang he povin. To recently interviewed about NCY in Amazon program about program is a freaking radio listener in program ibola hil thingboy tu ni nal ha chu kalung hal ta ve ala tu ni na program chu slung hal omi chu cho pha e chu hai akiting le chu bol thai dam she is also one of her na heti milui ho omen chu ta le chlai to be very frank Chuchanpur hi Chuchanpur hin mi in every works of life mi hing atamin like in lekha thim zong Chuchanpur atamin district dang chun atampoi katin he boina la sa zong atamin ahi e cha chu je ha la ya hi abang khan hin la cover song ipp bolo han lang hi zong la YouTube ma bo i khat no hin but radio a value he ho chun ai khan in radio azong mi la sa ki mo ko loi artist tam pitang no we have to go through their songs and lyrics ala sa ipitiam ngai nam ipitiam and then abang khan in la asema patriotic ayong la tam pita reject ki ball mean gospel ayong la reject ki ball gospel azong te ka abang khan chu like any other Baptist hello ale pi ham khat criticize ki bon ho chong ho la ki play lo hi na it's very it is say the I don't know how to explain radio achu mi khat sentiment hat na ding sim ong chu ki say lo community hat the ding zong ki say lo instead to spread love and communal well-being ading about to promote ki bol it is to say no.
Last question, how do you stay it radio here to improve your program how do you try to stay relevant so that your audience on appreciable thing in the program enjoy thing what do you do to improve yourself as a radio announcer radio personalities
mi pi hon ngai nom na ting hin amasa hin radio hin announcement kine na hi chi akiti te ki sein chuta la tunia hi chi la hi chi ngai hitin chi thu su ngai hitin hi chi ne ki sein chuta le we make ourselves more in a to na cho heart and soul ki pu we try to sound very clear we try to be very sincere na ke holy men and then chu studio sung hin amundang ako ipot do ting le mi ki music ipot do ting le tuni na program na bol chu nang hi ham na o ka ngai no me te hota bang na we used to get comments so polanga ipot do we try to be very cheerful we try to be very patient na we don't discriminate from another people a house zong a vai zong a team lo zong we try to adjust with everyone na singer hi han lang sports person hi han lang like scientist si han lang helawai ong ipi every walks of life mihing ho zo si te si ho to zon ki ho chapong ho to zon ki ho hi zi chun we try to be as friendly as possible cheng chun mihing khat ya ki le sa ta ing ma hala koi mang chun chunu ho ki le se ya program ka ngai nom he ti me mai thei he na so chu I change zo se so we try to be as humble la ta chu ki chi
ki pa ma jengin Estling boy how keep amai 20 years seasoned radio personality sahin ikam so hi ama o hi khat ve za jong he pe di tam ta hum tan ade in I thara program hi ama hi very familiar voice sahin tuna ichi ba holid na honoi nang piajen na to pa thu pang gena tuna honbil cable network and hem pe to ki pa thu gena ye weekend hon he kana isa upat de he
ke pe ke sa